Hi everyone, today I'm here just to talk about continuity. Now, to talk about continuity of function, we're talking about the function, if the function is continuous or the function is not continuous. And from the word, the continuity is related for the behavior of the function itself. Now, to understand what does the word continuous means, now, when you have this function as f of x, it has this graph, okay? Like, let's say that we have these graphs like this. Now, let's say we have function a like this, okay? And we have function b like this. And we have function c like that. Okay, now in function A, the black one, okay? Now in this function, we don't have any unknown value or anything that the function is undefined on it. So we have to say that the function is continuous on its domain. I mean, when you are trying to find f of specific value, I mean f of a, wherever the value of a was, okay, when you are trying to find out the value for a, where a is any number, okay, f of a is exist, okay? So you don't have any problem with f of a at all, okay? And there is no like any discontinuity in the function. I mean, the function is continuous by default, okay? I mean the black one. But in the red one, you have the function like it's going down right here and it's going down right there. We have no problems at this area and this area, or this line and this line. We don't have any problem with that. Well, actually, we have a problem right there, okay? Because we have an undefined point at x equals a, where a is this number, okay? So this function has a discontinuity at x equals a, all right? Now, if you want to talk about the third function, which is the 1 over x, for an example, okay, that I draw it right there. If I want to take it right there, right here, okay, where this is the function 1 over x, like this, and like that, okay? Now, we don't have any problem at this part, because if you want to find out f of a, wherever the value of a it was, I mean where x is smaller than 0, in the third quadrant, we don't have any problem. And if you want to find out f of a in this region, we don't have any problem, all right? Where f of x is equals 1 over x. But what about when x is equals to 0? What is f of 0? It is undefined, right? Because the function is going to infinity from 0 from right. I mean, this is the 0. This is 0 from right. And this is 0 from left, okay? So the value of the function itself from right goes to infinity, and from left it goes to negative infinity. So we have a problem in that, okay? So we have a discontinuity at x equals 0. Now, to understand continuity and discontinuity, you have to know that there are 3 conditions to make the functions continuous, which makes the function continuous.